Hello, welcome. Magandang araw sa inyo dito mga kapatid star viewers. Welcome back. Paalala ko lang sa inyo po na pakilakasan na lang po ng volume ng reading na ito or paki-bluetooth na lang po sa ibang gadgets. Dahil hindi ko po gamit ang aking microphone. Andito po ako sa labas and I do think na mag-reading ako habang naghihintay. So, just so you know mga kapatid, dala ko po ang aking tarot decks whenever I go. So, I do feel na may mensahe para sa inyo. So, buckle up and I think somebody's coming. So, let's find out sino tong taong darating sa inyo at bakit. Like again guys, palala ko lang, sorry sa mga medyo maingay yung background. So, pakilakasan na lang po and I'm so sorry talaga sa inyo. Pasensya na po. At I think, panoorin nyo rin po yung screen habang kayo ay nakikinig sa reading na ito dahil may mga mensahe doon or may mga additional akong ilalagay or isusulat doon sa screen na ito, dito sa video na ito. So, yeah. So, let's go at alamin natin kung sino tong taong darating or magpaparamdam. Kasi meron ditong tao na darating, magpaparamdam at alamin natin kung ano yung intensyon niya sa inyo. Alright, so let's find out. This reading is meant to find you, collective reading. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate mga kapatid, kung hindi naman para yun sa mga kapatid natin ibang nanonood dito sa reading na ito. Love lang po tayo dito, wag po tayong bitter. So guys, meron dito sa inyo na paparating, no? Someone, it could be wealthy, nasa kanya na, the world, a person na napaka-masculine, kung ikaw itong feminine na nanonood, you will be meeting this person na napakagwapo, maganda, macho, sexy, malakas ang dating, stable, may pera na, sweet, attractive, napaka-attractive ng taong ito. Yes, and meron ditong, it could be an ex na paparating. Yes, and an admirer. Mixed energy po tayo dito ha. A friend na darating. Alright. A friend na darating. An opportunity. No? This person will, maganda ang dala ng taong ito sa inyo. An opportunity of, it could be an opportunity of money, an opportunity of relationship, an opportunity about sa style, knowledge, yes, friendship. Meron naman itong friendship opportunity. Again, mas starstruck ka sa tao ito. So, prepare yourself when you meet this person. A new person is coming, no? Na makilala ninyo. Alamin natin, ano magiging reaction mo sa taong ito. Kasi nasa kanya na lahat, mga kapatid. A foreigner could be, yung iba dito, maybe ang taong ito ay LDR, malayo sa inyo, may distance, paparating na siya, malaki ang, hindi mo siya, yung reaction mo, hindi mo sukat akalain na makilala mo siya. Yes. You will be receiving a message from this person. This person, meron kasi ditong mas starstruck din siya sa inyo. Kung ikaw ay na-starstruck, hindi ka makakapaniwala sa kanya, same thing from this person. Mabibighani siya sa inyo. You are like an eye catcher ng taong ito. Yes, ikaw talaga ang target ng taong ito. Yes, this person might gonna offer you something about like relationship, marriage, from relationship to marriage. Magugulat ka. Yung iba sa dito, this could be like your currently partner. Yeah, baka ang taong ito ay mag-o-offer sa inyo ng long-term relationship, sabihin natin na marriage. Baka mag-propose sa inyo ito. Whenever you see this reading, it's meant to find you. This person na darating sa inyo, there will be stability. A real person. Hindi siya yung temporary lang. This person want long-term. Pangmatagalan. Hindi lang siya pang one night stand. Alright? Pangmatagalan. Yes, this person want long-term. Meron kasi dito na karelasyon mo ngayon na gusto niyang mag long-term yung relationship ninyo. Marriage, from dating to marriage. Maybe this person is going to ask you like, let's have a kid. I'm ready. Ready na ako na magkaanak tayo. Ready na ako na mag-level up tayo. Ready na ako na ikaw ang magiging ina, ama ng aking mga anak in the future. Yes. Meron naman dito na ang taong ito ay mag-offer sa iyo ng help. Maybe this person's going to ask you like a support. Kung gusto mo ng suporta, andyan siya para suportahan ka. Financially, support, emotional support, lahat. Lahat. Like again guys, this person's like total package. So get ready. Maghanda-handa ka na sa pagdating ng taong ito or sa sasabihin ng taong ito. Okay? Yeah, this person admire you. Yung iba sa inyo dito, mag-ingat-ingat ka dahil you might be, I don't know, like again, when you meet this person, hindi ka makakapaniwala. So, be careful of what you are thinking. Kasi meron dito sa inyo ma-overthink. Hindi ka sigurado kung ano ba talaga ang intensyon niya sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. And like again guys, this person is wealthy. Mapera. Could be boss, may-ari ng negosyo, a manager, something about high rank. Napaka-stable ang taong ito. So, yeah, get ready. Dahil ang taong ito ay malaking tulong sa inyo. It could be an offer about business, yung iba dito. Yeah, very stable, willing to help you and support you. About knowledge, ang taong ito ay napaka-knowledgeable. Maraming alam. A book lover, a traveler, like again guys, napaka-loving, mapagmahal na tao. If this is your partner right now, kasi meron ditong currently partner, maybe may LDR, long distance, no? But then again guys, you don't have to worry about this person kasi lahat ibibigay niya. You are so lucky, napaka-lucky mo na, no? Swerteng-swerte mo na pagka makilala mo nitong taong ito. Meron dito sa inyo, currently situation na ito siya. Siya na yung kasama mo. Siya na yung nasa harapan mo na siya. So, cherish the moment while you can. Dahil ayan na. Siya na ang binigay ng universe para sa inyo. Siya na yung magpo-provide na tunay na pagmamahal para sa inyo. Siya na yung magpo-provide ng stability na kinakailangan mo. Hindi naman kailangan na masyadong mapera ang taong ito, but at least magiging stable ka sa kanya. Mas magiging mapanatag ka sa kanya. Yeah. So, mag-ingat-ingat din, no? May mga tao din kasi na I don't know what is this Knight of Swords. It could be conflict. So guys, ingat-ingat tayo when we communicate, sabihin natin na mga hindi pagkakaintindihan when it comes to relationship, friendship, or whatever this person, no, na kadil ninyo, especially in the nearest future, kasi paparating na siya. Yung iba dito, mamimit mo pa lang itong taong ito. Baka magkakaroon ka ng conflict. Siguro conflict of an argument, no? Sino mas matalino? Sino ang mas tama? Dapat may give and take. Huwag tayo manghusga ng kapwa. Alamin muna natin bago tayo mag-react. But again, this person will bring good luck, stability para sa inyo. Iwasan natin na mag-judge, no? Do not judge the book by its cover. Dahil hindi mo alam ang totoo kung sino tong taong ito. Alright? So, be careful and watch out. Yeah. Give and take. And like again, itong taong paparating, this is your future spouse, future girlfriend, like again, stability. Yeah. Whatever you are working so hard, you might be manifesting this person. So, congratulations. Whoever you are manifesting, it's coming and it's happening. Let's find out, ano magiging reaction mo pa? Okay. Pag makilala mo itong taong ito, this person coming. Like again, friendship. Yes, one of your suitor. It could be one of your suitor. Meron dito from friendship to relationship. Magugulat ka dito. Yes. There will be a secret lover. Na yung iba sa inyo dito, you might be dealing with a secret lover. Magugulat ka. Siguro itong taong ito ay lately, no? Tinutulungan ka. Ina-assist ka. Pinoprotektahan ka. Doon yun pala. May gusto pala sa inyo. So that could be the sign na this person truly care for you, who wants serious relationship with you, serious friendship with you or partnership. Yes, a blessings. This person will bring blessings towards you. Stability, future spouse, darating. So prepare yourself. Minamanifest mo siya. Financially, stability ang taong ito. Napaka-stable. Siya na ang makakatulong sa iyo. It is about it's like sabihin natin na, as a feminine, ikaw si Cinderella. Your life is like a Cinderella. An instant, pagka makilala mo siya, yes, he is like a king. You will become like a queen, a princess. So yes, congratulations mga kapatid. Whoever this person, you capture this person's eye. Nahagip mo talaga ang mata niya, ang kanyang atensyon. It could be sa social media, sa work, it could be sa friends. Baka pinakilala ka nito ng mga kaibigan niya, and nahagip mo ang kanyang atensyon, nakuha mo ang kanyang atensyon, and this person is coming. Magugulat ka na lang na ang taong ito ay tutulong sa inyo. Yes, and magme-message sa inyo, mag-reach out sa inyo. So let's find out kailan to mag-reach out ang taong ito or darating. Spirit guides, kailan ito? Lover, kailan tong new person? Okay, 3 of Swords. Yung iba dito, it could be from the past. Ang taong iniwan ka, meron dito magbabalik. An ex-lover. It could be an ex-lover, ex-friendship, or somehow is it could be a third party, maybe this person hurt you, yung iba, very specific. Or maybe this person might from a relationship. Sabihin natin, galing siya sa toxic relationship. When this person receive their freedom, could be divorced, at makilala ka, when this person totally healed, this person is going to talk to you, offered you a new relationship. Meron naman dito from the ex, yes, mag-offer siya ng new beginning. Try to fix the problem from the past. Siguro pagtutulungan kayo ng mga kaibigan nyo na magkabalikan kayo. Kasi boto rin yung mga kaibigan niya sa iyo at boto rin yung kaibigan mo sa kanya. Something like that na mapapagit na ang inyong mga kaibigan. A family member could be, or kapatid. Ipagtutulungan kayo magkabalikan. So it's up to you guys kung gusto mo makapagbalikan. But this person is coming back a true sincere. Mas magiging sincere siya, mas maging loving siya, and stability. Like again, sa pagbalik niya, he will provide, or they will provide what you need. Everything. Love, money, support, knowledge. Meron kasi dito nagbabago. Yeah. Nagbabago na siya. Magugulat ka sa pagbabago ng taong ito. I'm sorry guys sa pagbabalik niya. Magugulat ka. So, yeah. And anong advice ni universe para sa inyo when you meet this person? When this person is coming? Like again, meron tayo ditong 3 days, 3 weeks. It could be 1 month from now. 7 days, 1 week from now. It could be hours. Like again, meron tayong 6, 7, and 3. And 9. 6, 7, 3, and 9. Yes. 6, 7, 3, and 9. So, yeah. Darating ang taong ito, mag-message sa inyo, mag-reach out sa inyo. And, advice ng universe para sa inyo mga kapatid. 6, 7, 3, and 9 could be days, hours, and weeks. Or time, Or maybe this could be their birth month, 6. Yes, they could be June, March, September, and July. Okay. Or this could be your zodiac sign or birth month. Yung iba dito. Spirit guides, what's your advice for my collective when they meet this person or when this person is coming? Anong advice? 6 of Wands, celebrate. Confident. Guys, whenever this person coming, be confident. Ipakita mo kung sino ka and be truthful. Yes. A lot of people cheering you up. A lot of people admiring you. And this person is one of your admirer. Secret admirer. Yes. This person is very secretive. Napaka-secretive niya. Hindi niya pinapaalam sa madla na nagugustuhan ka niya or he's admiring you or they're admiring you. Like again, guys, celebrate. Six of Wands, you will be like a celebrity when you meet this person. This person is one of your secret admirer. So, cheer up and enjoy receiving this love, a cup of love and stability. Okay, so congratulations mga kapatid, and so stay beautiful and handsome, and beautiful inside out, and you guys are truly beautiful and admirable, and congratulations and enjoy being loved, and so hanggang dito na mga kapatid. I love you guys and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito, and thank you at mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Bye.